Woken Ready TV, like this video, subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell for notifications so you be notified every time I drop some content. Listen, you know, every once in a while I hit y'all off with a little recipe. You know what I mean? Tonight I'm gonna give y'all a healthy recipe. You know what I mean? No meat involved. I'm gonna make a vegetarian wrap, not a vegan wrap, even though I'm gonna be using some vegan products, but this is a vegetarian wrap. You know what I mean? Vegetarian chicken wrap. Yeah, we're gonna get into it. It's really good. My wife got me on this healthy eating, healthy living stuff. It's all right. It's pretty good. So you can make a lot of stuff that you don't really need meat, and it tastes as good as the stuff we used to. You know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to get adjusted to that, and I'm gonna share a little recipe with y'all, and I'm gonna leave y'all with my I'm gonna end it off with my Snickers cake. You know what I mean? Homemade Snickers cake for dessert, but I ain't giving y'all the recipe for that yet. So let's go. I'm gonna start off by putting a little bit of olive oil in my pan to coat the pan. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna be using. You know what I'm saying? This right here is Cajun plant-based chicken. So it's plant-based, not real chicken. Yeah, I coated the pan with some salt and pepper, added the plant-based chicken, added some onion, some mushroom, some spinach, and I topped it off with some mild salsa. That got onions and all that in it too. But I add extra onion for a little bit more flavor. I'm gonna just stir it up. See, I'm stirring it up, right? And remember, I already coated the pan with some salt and pepper and the olive oil. You know what I'm saying? And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little bit more flavor. I'm gonna add some garlic powder. See, you want it to look like that. I'm gonna let it cook like 5 more minutes. I'm gonna cheat a little bit. I got some vegan cheese, vegan mozzarella. I'm gonna see how that tastes, but I'm gonna add some real shredded cheese on this before I put it in my wrap, and then we good to go. Because remember, this is a vegetarian wrap. This ain't no vegan wrap. You know what I mean? I gotta add a little cheese to it. I could have threw an egg in there, but I ain't doing all that. I'm gonna keep it basic. Added the plant-based mozzarella, and I added my real 3 cheese, triple cheddar Kraft natural cheese on top. That's gonna kick it off right there, you know what I mean? You can let your cheese melt a little more after, you know what I mean? You've done it all that. Scoop it up. Sit it over here in this wrap. And you good to go. Enjoy. After that, right, I might give y'all the secret recipe of my Snickers cake. Yup, a Snickers cake. Yeah, secret recipe. Haha. But it wouldn't be complete if I ain't taste that shit for y'all. And it's really popping. Really popping. Alright, y'all. It's a healthy vegetarian wrap. Try it.